Okay, so you can see one kind of fruit over here, right?
Jackfruit.
Yes, jackfruit. Jackfruit. Have you seen it before?
Yes.
Yeah. Have you tasted it?
Yes, in Congo.
In Congo, okay. So how does it taste like?
I don't remember. So 6 years ago.
6 years ago. How does it taste like? It's very sweet, right? It's sweet. Actually, it looks like durian, a little bit similar, right?
But the smell is
Yeah,
very...
durian smell is horrible. Horrible, very strong. And durian is, the flesh of a durian is thicker than the flesh of the jackfruit. And you know, with this kind of jackfruit trees, we don't throw away anything. We use everything. Of course, for the tree, we use it as wood to build things, right? To make things. And for the fruit, we eat the flesh, of course. You know, the fiber. There's 2 layers, right? One layer is the fiber, and one layer is the flesh. We eat the flesh. How about the fiber? What are we gonna do with it?
Make something.
Okay, if it's not ripe, the unripe one, the young one, the young fiber one, we cook it with fish or pork or meat with sauce. Yeah, and eat it with rice. And you know the seed inside, we won't throw it away. We boil it because it tastes like sweet potatoes. Tastes very nice, like sweet potatoes. Also, for the skin, what do you think we do with it?
Rub your face with it.
Rub your face! Really?
No.
You rub your face with that?
Hello?
So you see some spikes, right? Some spikes outside, right? Some spikes outside. So is it soft? No. It's hard.
Yeah, it's hard.
It can hurt your skin, right?
No. Like
Right? So that's why, you know, in Asia, we're Asian people. And how do Asian parents teach their children when they're naughty? We smack them, right? We smack them. So instead of smacking them, we punish them. How? To kneel on the jackfruit skin for an hour. See? So we don't throw away any part of it. We take use of everything. So if your kids are naughty, you can just take one and punish them on it.